Hi there everyone, so we're back out in the van and we've come down to Ballantrae again, and excuse the wind, it's quite windy here, and this is on Park4night. So the idea behind this is I've been looking at the Park4night sites and there's a lot on the west coast, Dumfries, Galloway, all around that sort of area, and I had the idea of, because we like to get out and about, just do the odd night or whatever, then we're going to try them out and see what they're like. Maybe do a little, just a little review if you like. So I'll spin myself round. I'm well in the dark there, but this is where we are in relation to the beach. The beach is just down there. Yeah, it's a nice little park up. It's got a little harbour over there, harbour wall, behind the boats. There's a Craig in the background. It's all fairly solid ground where we're parked. It's fell down hole. Yeah, it's like a gravelly, grassy area, and as it says, a car just pulled on there. There's another car down there somewhere. Yeah, it's a nice little spot. Only trouble is there's houses. Now, I don't usually like parking near houses, and we've tucked ourselves away, but there's the van there, there's a row of houses over there, so we've sort of like tucked ourselves away towards the end of it, so we're not bothering anybody, we're not outside anybody's front door. I'm going to get the drone up and show you a bit of the area, see what it's like. Okay, thank you. Right, I'm going to go for a little walk. So that's where we are there. What I do is in the dark. Right, that's better. Right, I'll spin the camera around. I'm going to walk down to the sea wall, see what it's like. A little wander around. So yeah, okay. Some old sheds there. Looks like old fishing pots or whatever they are, lobster pots, crab pots. It's quite popular down here. There's quite a few people walking their dogs, and there's There's a big green that runs all the way along the front here, and yeah, quite a few people walking about. Oh, there's quite a lot of people down there on the beach as well. It's a very popular place. Sorry. So Ballantrae is on the west coast of Scotland. It's between Cairnryan and Girvan. Excuse the wind noise. I don't know how good this is coming out, but so yeah, it's between Cairnryan and Girvan on the west coast, and a small little village. It's a nice little village. I used to have relatives live here, and or Margaret's relatives rather, and so we've been down here quite a few times. So yeah, see that market over the back, over there by the rocks doing over and yeah, this Park4night. So there's no services here. It is park up for the night, and that's it. You're good to go the next morning. There is a designated council car park a little bit further down. I'll show you that in the morning. Not too sure what the price of that is. I've seen some people say it's £6, some people say it's £10 for the night. Again, no services. It's one of these council run schemes where there's a few parking bays. You pay on an app on your phone. But this is an ideal spot because if you're coming over from Ireland or going to Ireland from Cairnryan obviously, then it's a nice little stopover for the night if you're catching the ferry in the morning, or you just got off the ferry late at night or something and you need somewhere to park. Again, it's the only downside is the houses. It's houses all the way along the seafront there, but you can tuck yourself away out of the way. You're not disturbing anybody. Yeah, it's a nice little walk down here. Get out of the wind. Get out of here. Little memorial to somebody there. But yeah, if you've got a dog, there's plenty of room to be walking about with the dog. I think that's as far as I'm going to get today. But yeah, I won't be going swimming in there. Right, so it's getting on a bit now, still quite windy, so I've had the drone up, and still popular. Man's just pulled up, dog walker, no rubbish around, which is good to see. Yeah, the downside is the dog poo. There's plenty of bins about, but because people just let their dogs off, they're just doing it anywhere. So it's a shame because it's a lovely little place. It just gets ruined by people not picking up dog poo. It's part of having a dog, I'm afraid. So yeah, anyway, onwards. Cheers. Good morning. So that was a very fresh windy night. very windy. Wasn't cold. It's nice and quiet, just a bit windy. Yeah, good little spot. Nice little spot if you're on the way up the west coast. Only one night though. I wouldn't chance staying more than one night. Yeah, not too sure if the neighbours like it or not, but there you are. I'm not outside somebody's house, and I parked over by the boats here just so I'm out of the way. Everything on the van is self-contained. Take you around the other side. You're not going to hear me when I go around the other side. A bit windy, but yeah, we're all self-contained. We ain't got no barrels out or anything like that. Not bothering anybody. Just got a step because we've got little legs. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and again, another little different video. Hopefully we're going to get out and about and check out some more of these Park4nights, see what they're like, and do a little review on them. Yeah, so okay, right, see you all soon, bye.